Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the self-cleaning mode on the Ecozy ice maker. Keeping the unit clean is super important if you want it to last longer and keep making fresh ice. Let's walk through it step by step. First, make sure the ice maker is plugged in but not actively making ice. So yeah, check that it's powered on but sitting idle. If it's currently in the middle of an ice cycle, let that finish or stop it before moving on. Now, press and hold the main power button. Keep holding it until you see both the large and small ice size indicators start flashing. That's the signal that the machine has entered self-cleaning mode. Once those lights are flashing, the cleaning cycle will automatically start. It usually takes about 20 minutes, so yeah, just let the machine do its thing. During this time, the internal parts are rinsed and flushed thoroughly. If you need to stop the process early, no problem. Just press the power button again and the cycle will cancel. But if you can, let it finish for the best results. After the cycle finishes, it's a good idea to drain the leftover water. To do this, locate the drain plug on the back or bottom of the unit, remove the cap, and let the water flow out into a sink or container. And that's basically it. If you run this cleaning cycle regularly, say once every week or two, your Ecozy ice maker will stay fresh, hygienic, and keep producing ice that actually tastes clean. So to recap, keep the machine idle, press and hold power until the lights flash, let the cycle run for 20 minutes, and drain the water at the end. Super simple. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.